Video 2.11, Summary of Baroque Style. Now that we have surveyed 3 works by 3 Baroque masters, we can ask, what, generally, are the musical elements that make Baroque music sound, well, Baroque? One identifying feature is the rhythm, which often displays a forward drive which no cadence can interrupt, except for the final one. Baroque melodies have a relentless quality about them, something German musicians call Fortspinnung, literally a spinning forward of the musical idea. Baroque melodies are often highly ornamented, more so when Baroque performance practice dictates that additional decorative notes be inserted when observing da capos or repeat signs. Like the jazz musicians of today, 18th century musicians were trained in the art of improvisation. The basso continuo, say a double bass and harpsichord, lent harmonic structure to a work through improvised accompaniments on the figured bass provided by the composer. Word painting was a common device, allowing composers to draw a close connection between the words and the music. Chromaticism was used in varying degrees as an expressive device. Bach, for instance, was more inclined toward chromatic harmony, Handel and Vivaldi less so. Terrace dynamics is the term we use to describe abrupt changes of volume, from suddenly loud to suddenly soft. This approach is a signature Baroque style, particularly in the performance of Concerto Grossi, where the sound of the large ensemble is notably louder than the sound created by the small group of soloists. Finally, we observe how the Baroque masters excelled in the art of counterpoint. Fugues and fugal textures were the cornerstone of Baroque music. And while we identify 1750 as the end of one era and the start of another, we remind ourselves that even as Bach was perfecting his contrapuntal skills, his own sons were writing music that was moving away from the dense polyphony of their father toward a lighter, more homophonic style. Join me as we exchange the rich velvets and brocades of Baroque style for the elegant silks and satins of the classical style, thus proving that music, like fashion, is ever-changing.